Manage user roles and activate team mapping and tracking permissions from the user settings panel. Start by opening the Manage menu to access all user and system controls. Select Users to view and manage all user accounts and their access levels. Click the Actions drop-down to access advanced user management options such as bulk insert. Click Edit next to a user to update their details or modify permissions. Select a new role from the drop-down to quickly update the user's access level and responsibilities. Enable Snap Service to get powerful insights with real-time screenshot and activity capture. Toggle Auto Login to enable TeamOB to launch automatically when the machine starts. You can also configure the system to connect with your AD server to automatically import users along with their team and department mappings. To set up AD credentials, go to Settings. Expand the Active Directory panel to seamlessly connect with your organization's directory, enabling centralized user access and role management. Thank you for your interest.